Bad beer rots our young guts, but vodka goes well. This is what I use to remember resistor color codes. Now, I'm going to talk just briefly here about a 4-color band resistor. Here you'll see a picture and it shows of a resistor, and it shows 1, 2, 3, 4 color bands. Now these color bands correspond to the nominal value of the resistor. If you look at the first color band here, this first color band is going to represent the first digit of my number. The second color band here is going to represent the second digit. The third color band is the multiplier, which means how many zeros do I put behind the first and second digit. Then the fourth color band here is the tolerance level. If the fourth color band is gold, then that resistor has a 5% tolerance. If the fourth band is silver, it would have a 10% tolerance. And if there is no fourth color band, then that particular resistor would have a 20% tolerance level. Now let's talk about these first two digits here for just a moment. Over here, you'll see I've got written, bad beer rots our young guts, but vodka goes well. And I said at the beginning, this is how I remember my resistor color code. Well, this is what I mean. If we'll take the first letter of each of these words and assign a color to them. The first B, this is going to represent the color black. The second B represents the color brown. The R represents red. The O is orange. The Y is yellow. The G, the first G, is going to be green. B is blue. V is violet. The second G represents gray. And then W is white. And then we just assign numbers to these, and we start with the number 0. Brown is 1, red is 2, orange is 3, yellow is 4, green is 5, blue is 6, violet is 7, gray is 8, and white is 9. Now looking at my 4 color band resistor, we look at the first color band, whatever that color band happens to be. We look over here and we find the color that corresponds, and then whichever number that is will be the first digit. The picture I have here of this particular resistor, I'm going to say that almost looks like green there. That's not a very good picture, I suppose. But let's just assume that this first color band here is green, so I'll come over here and I'll find green, and we'll see that's a 5. So the first digit of this resistor would be 5. I'm going to look at the second color band, and that appears to be brown to me. So looking over here at my resistor colors, I'll find brown, and I'll see that as a 1. Now let's go to the multiplier of the third band, which tells me how many zeros I need to put behind the 5 and the 1. It appears to be orange. We find orange, and we'll see that's 3. So that means I've got to put 1, 2, 3 zeros behind the first and second digit. The fourth band is gold, so this resistor is going to have a 5% tolerance level. So if I would rewrite this, this would be a 51K ohm resistor with a plus and minus 5% tolerance.